OSC is a premium first choice garment factory, and we offer excellent services from garment production. We produce in large quantity mass production, and we are apparently the most amazing garment factory in Africa. We offer premium quality at exact time delivery, and our services are extremely available.
We do quite a lot of contract manufacturing, so that's producing for big-time companies like Sterling Bank, Biswa, Cadbury, Unilever, Nigerite, subsidiaries of Lafarge. We work with big organizations, helping them produce their uniforms and solving all their fashion-related issues.
The very moment a job comes in, the first thing we do is to develop a tech pack. Our ability to interpret whatever the customer sends is an added value tax. The goal here is the customer must be satisfied.
As much as possible, as a company, we keep pushing ourselves towards the goal. We keep ensuring that whatever we are doing, either teaching or producing, we are meeting up with that benchmark. At OSC, you get proper consultancy service so that your foundation is strong enough for you to be able to scale up. So we do a lot of fast things, we do a lot of speedy thinking, we do a lot of intelligent discussions, we do a lot of brainstorming sessions.
One of the few things that we're very particular about is timely delivery. So we promise to always produce high quality, internationally accepted designs and garments delivered on time, and of course at a fair price.
Thank you.